In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report in Salesforce. Whether you're pulling data for a weekly status update or analyzing your team's performance, exporting reports from Salesforce is a crucial skill every user should master. It sounds complex, but don't worry. We'll walk through it step by step to make sure you feel confident and ready to handle your data like a pro. First things first, you'll need to log into Salesforce. I know this sounds basic, but it's always good to emphasize starting with the right credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has sufficient permissions to access and export reports. Navigating through Salesforce, you'll notice plenty of tabs and options, but for today our focus is on the Reports tab. Select this and let it load up. Once inside the Reports section, you should see a list of reports available to you. Take a moment to locate the specific report you want to export. This could be any report, perhaps a sales report you're scheduled to discuss in your next team meeting, or maybe an annual performance report. Click on the name of the report to open it. Now that you've opened your desired report, direct your attention to the interface where you'll see various buttons and options. Here's where we'll find the Export feature. Usually, the Export button is discreetly nested within a drop-down menu next to the Edit button, or you might find it under the gear icon, depending on the interface layout you are using. Click on Export to proceed to the next step. You're nearly there. Next, Salesforce will prompt you to choose an export format. You have two options: formatted report and details only, the latter often saved as a CSV file. If you need the report in a structured format that retains all the original formatting like headers and labels, the formatted report is your choice. However, if you prefer a simpler, data-focused version suitable for further manipulation in spreadsheets, choose the CSV format. With your preferred format selected, hit that export button again. Give the system a moment to compile your data and initiate the download process. This is usually quick, but the duration may vary depending on the size of your report and the speed of your internet connection. Finally, you'll be prompted to save your exported file. Choose a location on your computer where you can easily find it later, perhaps a dedicated folder for Salesforce reports, or your desktop if you prefer quick access. Congratulations, you've successfully exported your report from Salesforce. Make sure to double-check the file to ensure everything is in order before sharing it with your team or incorporating it into your analysis. So there you have it, a straightforward approach to exporting reports from Salesforce. By following these steps, you'll be perfectly equipped to handle your reporting needs efficiently and accurately. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for further Salesforce tips and tutorials.